There are two variations on sorting that I want to show you. Like I said, it's going to take just a moment or two. Sorting is one of the easier things that we're going to deal with. I'm going to, again, select all of our different products, but this time I'm going to sort by a value that is not a number. In this case, I want to list out all my different records based on the name. So hopefully this will take all the records and rearrange them in alphabetical order. Let's try a select star from products, and we are going to order by name. I'm then going to run that, and we'll see very easily, yep, we've got all these different rows now sorted in alphabetical order. Just like with the numbers, we can apply the DESC, which means we would start from Z and then go to A. So if I run that, I now am at the end of the alphabet, and at the very bottom are the A records. If we leave off descending, then the default is ascending, and again, we can optionally put on ASC if we just want to be really clear about what is going on. All right, so clearly we can sort by different types of values, numbers, or strings of characters. Now the last thing I want to show you around order by is that we can order by multiple different properties. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to change the order by back to ordering by price. Now, as we go through this data set, you might notice that the first 4 records here have the same price. Well, at least the first 2, and the next 2 have the same price for each other. If we want to, we can not only sort by price, but if 2 records have the same price, we can then apply a second ordering rule. So in this example, let's try to sort by price, and then if 2 records have the same price, I want to then order those 2 records by weight. To do so, we would put in order by price and then weight. Okay, well, let's run that. And now you'll see that those top 2 records right there just flipped. So because they have the same price, we then used weight as a second sorting criteria. And we sorted them by ascending weight. So 11 first and then 21. We can apply sort order options to each of these different properties or these different column names. So if we put on DESC right here after weight, that means we want to sort by ascending price and then descending weight. So if we run this, I would now expect to see 21 first. And if I run that, yep, there we go. Okay, so honestly, that is it for sorting. We're going to take a look at a quick example just to make sure this idea is crystal clear. But other than that, sorting, not the worst thing in the world.